Hey guys, Leslie here, Run with Craft Scissors, with a haul from Daily Dose of Stickers. I do PR for Daily Dose of Stickers, so feel free to use my code Leslie15 for 15% off, and you get my freebie, which I have right here. It looks like she included one in my order. So that's my freebie. Hope you like it. I don't know if we're going to update freebies or not. I know like the way she does PR Girls, it's like just a few months at a time. So we'll see if there's another like one that like if I get to pick a new version of things because it's so springy and summery and I love it. But I was just wondering. And then here's the little die cut that came with my order. A little ghost with a pumpkin spice, and he's holding a pumpkin. There's little bats. So it's a die cut that's easy to peel because it has an edge. I love that. I am always on the struggle bus for trying to peel to the edge. Always. All right, and then this was the freebie that I got for ordering when I did. I've had this for a while. School started and things just got complicated. But how cute are her freebies? You've got a ghost in a mug with books. You've got pumpkins in a barrel. You've got a pumpkin spice in a mug. Plan my week in a little planner. Pumpkin spice, frappuccino, a little fall computer, a little fall to go hot coffee, stack of pumpkins, happy fall chalkboard, and then a pumpkin patch sign. Adorable. Adorable. All right, I bought candles. My husband and my son bought me a candle subscription from a local company. It's called Reborn Candles, if you want to check them out. But they send me a candle once a month, and so I'd like to mark in my planner when it arrives, because in the summer they did delay them sometimes because of the heat. They were like, we're not going to ship it because we don't want it to melt in your mailbox, and I was like, I love that. That's fine. So I'm excited to use these candles. I accidentally bought, I think, wax melt ones once, like the stickers, and I was like, that's not what I wanted. But if you have a wax melt subscription, she also sells those too. So I have a candle subscription, so I'm excited to use these ones. There's ones with flowers, a little kawaii face flower, little groovy checks, and then it repeats like the top two. This one's more of a cream color, and then you've got one in a jar. So that one's really cute. So I'm excited to use those. And then I had to get this one. We always go to a farm. I think we're going to go to the same one we did last year. Sometimes we mix it up and we go to different ones. But this one I love. You've got like the big barn and then like the pumpkin patch. And then you can have some like pumpkin coffee over here. There's some pumpkin donuts, a barrel of pumpkins, carving pumpkins, pumpkin pie, a girl at the pumpkin patch, a little outfit for going to the pumpkin patch. This is the functional sheet. Look at all of this. You get all the scripts you could possibly imagine. And then you get the little deco stickers in your weekend banner. And then like even a little movie marquee. So love that one. I think it has everything I would absolutely need. And then we have our half boxes and quarter boxes. And they're patterned. And I love the like maroon and orange. Maroon is one of my favorite colors. I know my nails kind of match this kit. And then we have the checklist, ombre checklist, a Monday through Sunday checklist, half box checklist, and then you get your little canceled change of plan sticker, very dainty, and then some quarter boxes at the bottom. So they really utilize the top to the bottom of the sticker sheet. Look at, I had to get this. So I love the plaid, and then look at the scallop. I needed that. I love scallop washi. It's adorable. And then quarter boxes, and then these are your headers. They're all blank, so you just design your own. Okay, so that's the kit I got. I got the sheets A through E. Yeah, so that's the kit I bought. You can buy different add-ons, okay? But I got the main kit sheet, and then you get, this one's sheet B actually, but I like to put it in the front. So I got A through E, if you're like, how are you ordering your kits? And then I had to get this one. They're football stickers. I feel like this one's like not necessarily football related, but it's really cute. And like the hot dogs and the popcorn and the little kawaii football and the flags and the helmets. I was like, yes, because my son might be wanting to go to like his school's football games because he started middle school. He can't play yet. They're not allowed in 6th grade. And then like we have football games at my school, and then we like to watch the Chiefs play. So I thought I'm definitely going to be utilizing a lot of football stickers, so why not get another football sheet? This one I think is supposed to be like pom-poms, so that one's really cool. But I like the girliness to it. I really do. So there you go. I got some fall stickers. I'm ready for fall. I'm ready for candles. I'm ready for pumpkin patches. I'm ready for football. And that's what matters right now, so... So there you go. That is my PR order from Daily Dose of Stickers. Please check her out. And don't forget to use my code or mention my name so you get my freebie and my discount. All right, I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting the channel. I will try to figure out a filming schedule. It's just been really crazy trying to go back to work. And everything always is happening. We have open house, we have picture day. It's just a lot right now. And I am still teaching online and seated. So thanks for watching. Thanks for supporting. And I will continue to try to get videos done as I can, as well as new releases. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.